We are looking at solving question number 16 from our 7.2 homework. It's given that we're trying to find the tangent of the inverse cosine of 7/12 minus the inverse tangent of 2/7, and we're trying to find the exact answer. And what we're looking at here is a difference of angles. The inverse cosine and inverse tangent are going to give us two different angles. So we're looking at the tangent, inverse tangent, or well, the tangent of u minus v. And we know by the difference identity for the tangent function, that's going to be tangent of u minus tangent of v over 1 plus tangent u plus tangent v. So what we're looking at then is let's start with looking at u as the inverse cosine of 7/12. Well, then I know that the cosine of u is 7/12. If the inverse cosine of 7/12 is u, cosine u would equal 7/12. So, and we're going to assume that it's in quadrant 1 as well. And so 7/12 would be an x over r. So if we're looking at things on the unit triangle or in a right triangle, I know that the adjacent side would be 7 and the hypotenuse would be 12. It would be a typical value. So we'll use the Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared equals r squared in that right triangle to find the missing side. And so x squared would be 7 squared would be 49. Y, I don't know why. And r is 12, so 12 squared would be 144. Subtract the 49 from both sides gives us y squared equals 95 there. And y equals the square root of 95. And again, we're going to use the positive one because we're going to assume that we're in the first quadrant, because the inverse cosine of a positive 7/12 will give us a value that's in the first quadrant there. So I know that the y value is 7.5. And so then I know that the tangent of u from that, I know that the tangent of u would be, my pencil's not working. Tangent of u is the opposite here. It'd be 75, or square root of 95, sorry, divided by 7. That would give us the tangent of u. And then I know that v is equal to, well, is equal to the arctangent of 7/12. So tangent v is equal to 2/7. And so I need the tangent v and I need the tangent of u. Tangent of u is going to be square root of 95 over 7. So if I plug those into our identity here, tangent to u, square root 95 over 7, minus tangent v, which would be 2/7. And then on the bottom, you've got 1 minus, or 1 plus, the tangent of u, so square root of 95 over 7, times the tangent of v, which would be 2/7. All right, and then our common denominator in there is going to be 49. On the bottom down here, when you multiply those together, you'll have 2 square root 95 all over 49. And so I'm going to clear out the fractions. I'm going to distribute through 49 over 49 to clean up that fraction. And the 7s on the top will cancel. You get 7 times the quantity 95 minus square root 2. And on the bottom, you're going to get 49. The 1 times the 49 is going to give us 49, plus 2 square root of 95. And it should take that as the answer in the textbook. WAMAP should accept that as the answer, the exact value of the answer in there. All right. Stop recording.